I can assure you that our consular staff in China, in Beijing, but also right across the country, is fully engaged on this issue, responding to the concerns that Canadians and their families have about loved ones in areas affected by the coronavirus, which are expanding, unfortunately, rapidly. We will continue to do everything we can to support those families, to secure their return to Canada, and to do so in a way that is safe and doesn't enable or allow for even greater propagation of the virus. But I can and must reassure Canadians that the risk to Canadians in Canada continues to be low. We have strong measures in place at airports. We have strong measures in place in all of our health centers and hospitals to ensure that the risks of transmission, of spreading of this virus is low. We're going to continue to keep Canadians updated. In the meanwhile, our call is really to make sure people are not overly anxious about this situation. The regular protocols around flu season should certainly be in place for everyone, every family. Wash your hands regularly. Make sure you get your flu shot. Make sure you cough into your elbow. These are things that keep us safe from the flu. They can also keep us safe from the threats of other viruses. Those are just good ways to behave. But on top of that, we really need to make sure that we are continuing to come together as a community. We've seen too many instances of unreasonable fears being spread either on the internet or in other ways. We need to know that this is a time for Canadians, all Canadians, including Canadians of Chinese origin, to pull together and to lean on each other, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. We are looking at giving the support we can to people who need it. Obviously, it involves working with the Chinese government, involves looking at what partners around the world are doing. We're working very closely with the WHO to ensure that Canada is being responsible in its approach, but of course, we're doing everything we can to help Canadians and their loved ones. We are ensuring that we're doing everything we can to support Canadians and their loved ones. We're very much looking at what our partners are doing, looking what the WHO recommendations are. There are a number of steps to go through with the Chinese authorities and with Canadian consular officials in China. We will keep you posted on as soon as we have a little more clarity around the date can be, but we are looking first and foremost at ensuring the safety of Canadians in China and the safety of Canadians back here at home as well.